Well, my dear students, today let us study about pronoun table. Pronoun table, it is also, these pronouns are also called as personal pronouns. They are also called as personal pronouns because there are persons, first person, second person, third person. So they are called as personal pronouns. How many persons are there? There are 3 persons. How much? There are 3. Remember it. There are 3 persons among the pronouns. Which are they? First person, second person, third person. First person, second person, third person. In Indian languages, this is called as Purusha. Prathama Purusha, Dvitiya Purusha, Tritiya Purusha. In Kannada, in Tamil, Telugu, and also in Hindi. First person, second person, and third person. What is the first person? First person is the speaker. Whoever is speaking, he is referred to as first person. Now I am speaking, I am first person. You are listening to my lesson and you are the second person. I and you, first person, second person. And some other people who are watching us, they are called as third person. Speaker is the first person, listener is the second person, listener or spoken to. It is also said spoken to. Who is spoken to? The person spoken to is the second person. The speaker is first person. Apart from these two, others are third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener or spoken to. The person spoken to whoever it was spoken to. Okay. Third person means others. Other than these two. Other than these two, they are third person. Now let us find out which are they. I. First person is I. I am the speaker. So it's not number 1. It is I. I is the first person. Equal to that, what is the equivalent of I in the second person? It is you. You is the second person. Third person, he or she. He for boys, she for girls. He, she, it for animals. This is singular. This is singular. Now let us go to plural. I is singular. Plural is we. We is the plural. And second person is you. You in the plural. Third person, they. This is plural. Okay. Let me draw a line here. Okay. Singular, plural. I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they. Now, in the object place, these are in the subject place. In the object place, singular, me. To me. Second person, again, you. In the sentence, we use to before you. To you, like this. To me, to you. And then to him, her, for for girls, and animals, its, him, to her, to it, not its, it. Now if we go to the plural, singular, now plural, me, us, to us, plural. To you, once again it is you. Here, to them. First are subject. These are object in a sentence. That means these come before the verb and these come after the verb in a sentence. Okay. Now possessive case. That means possession. They show the possession. For example, my, first person. Whatever is mine, I say, oh, this is my book, my bag, my school, my classroom, my house, my mother, my father, my. Your. Second person is your. In singular, your. Tum, Ninu, your. And third person, his. If it is girl, her. Masculine, feminine, and if it is animal, its. In plural, my, our. Plural, our, your. Second person is your, our, your land, your land. Their, T-H-E-I-R, their. So these are the three persons in pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. That we have already studied in the second video, I think. Now we are going to study. We have studied these three persons: first person, second person, and third person. I think it is very clear, and you have understood about these persons. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener or the person spoken to, and the third person is other than these two, other than first person and second person. So if you keep this in this mind, or if you write it in your notebook and read it again and again, try to keep it in your mind. Try to, memorization is not necessary, but keep it in your mind that these are the first person, second person, and third person, and they come handy when we study active and passive voice, indirect speech, etc. So understand this. I think for the present, this is enough for today. Thank you, students.